Hello students, today I would like to teach you about using in or at according to different situations. Whenever we are outside, we make a lot of errors related to our position, the position of a person, of an object. Today we will try to understand these things in our language. On the board you can see there are some examples. Look at the first example. You can see a group of people who are sitting somewhere. We say at the back, at the front. A group of people. They are sitting somewhere. So we can describe the position according to at the back, at the front. Look at the second example of a car in the front, in the back. You can see there are two people sitting in a car. So we can say in the back, in the front. Now I'm going to read these things for you. At the front, at the back of a building, group of people, etc. Now look at the first example. The car is at the back of a house. The car is at the back of a house. Look at the second example. I was standing at the back, so I couldn't see very well. Look at the third. We should sit at the front of the cinema. At the front of the cinema. But in the first row, keep in mind these things. At the front of the cinema, but in the first row. Now look at the last example of a car. We say in the front, in the back of a car. I was sitting in the back of a car with my friend. Now you have been able to understand these things very well. Thank you.